In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenClaw on Mac. Let's get into it. Open Terminal on your Mac using Spotlight Search. Paste this command, and hit Enter. The script will automatically check if you have Node.js 22 or newer. If you don't, it will install it for you. Then it installs the OpenClaw CLI globally and launches the onboarding wizard. Follow the wizard prompts. Choose your LLM provider like OpenAI or Anthropic, paste your API key, select your time zone, and pick which messaging platforms you want to connect, like Telegram, WhatsApp, or Slack. When the wizard asks if you want to install the daemon, choose Yes. This runs OpenClaw as a background service, so it stays active even after you close terminal. Once installation is done, grant OpenClaw 3 permissions in System Settings under Privacy and Security. Go to Full Disk Access and enable OpenClaw.